Good morning, students. Today I will teach you moral values subject. Okay. Today let's begin with chapter 9. Okay. The name of the chapter is Service to Man. Okay. So service to man. Okay. Service of mankind is service to God. Okay. Means that selfless service for the cause of humanity is as important as worshipping to God. We can see here the example of Mother Teresa. Okay, and another way of service to mankind is to by giving whatever half you can give from your side. Okay, so here students, you can see different types of picture. Okay, so whom do you think really need our service in the following pictures? Okay, take them. Okay, which one you feel service to man? All right, so students, here you can see different type of picture. Okay, the girl is begging, and second we can see the guy is driving the car, and in this way you have to take the to whom we shall give the service to man. Okay, here different types of picture. Okay, so orphan and old age home. Okay, so what do these do for service to man? Collect information and share it with your friends. Okay, so you can take which one we need to service to man. Okay, which one we should give service to man. All right, so now let's begin with the story with the example of Mother Teresa. Okay, so students, now let's begin with the story. Okay, Mother Teresa was a true savior of humanity. Okay, so Mother Teresa was a true savior of humanity. Okay, that means Mother Teresa was helping to the people who were needy and homeless people. All right, so she served the needy and homeless throughout her life with complete dedication. Okay, Mother Teresa served needy and homeless, okay, throughout her life with complete dedication, with full thoughts and minds. Okay, and once Mother met an old man who was in a very difficult situation. Okay, once Mother Teresa met an old man, you can see in the picture, who was in a very difficult situation. Okay, the old man was finding very difficult to live alone. Okay, but once Mother Teresa went to meet with an old man. All right, he was completely ignored by everyone. Okay, the old man was ignored by everyone. All right, so no one bothered him. All right, he lived all alone, and his home was absolutely cluttered and dirty. Okay, he lived alone in a room. Okay, in his home. Okay, and absolutely cluttered and dirty. It was very dirty. He can't clean, and it was so dirty. So one day Mother Teresa went to visit the old man. Okay, Mother told the man, "Please let me clean your house, wash your clothes, and make your bed." Okay, one day what happened? Mother Teresa told the man, okay, the old man, "Please let me clean your house, and also let me wash your clothes, and let me make your bed." Okay, but at that moment the old man was not agree, so that Mother Teresa, she could clean his room. Okay, he was not allowed to clean the room. Okay, the old man refused at first, but then Mother asked him politely once again. Then what happened? The old man refused at first. Okay, but the mother asked politely once again, and the old man agreed what the Mother Teresa told him. Okay, and this time the old man agreed to take her half. Okay, Mother Teresa, first time when she asked for the help. The old man was not agree, but he asked again and again, and at the second time the old man, and at the last the old man agreed what the Mother Teresa told. Okay, while cleaning up the old man's place, Mother found an old lamp which had become very dirty, as it had not been used since a long time. Okay, while Mother Teresa was cleaning the room of the old man, he found old lamp. Okay, it was very dirty. The lamp was very dirty, and it had not been used since a long time. Okay, she asked the man, "Don't you ever use this lamp?" The man replied, "Where is the need for light in my house? No one ever comes to meet me. Who would light the lamp for me?" So the Mother Teresa asked the old man, okay, "Don't you ever use this lamp?" She asked the old man, okay. The old man replied, "Where is the need for light in my house?" Because what the old man felt, because no one visited him, so he feel lonely. Okay, he need company and he needs care of everyone, but no one helped him and gave company to the old man. Okay, "No one ever comes to meet me." What the old man said to the mother, "No one comes to meet with me." Okay, so who could light the lamp for me? So he feel so lonely. Okay, so that's why he did not put the lamp. All right, Mother understood that the old man needed a company around him. Okay, more than anything else. Okay, so the Mother Teresa, she understood what the old man need. Okay, the old man need company around him and friends. Okay, he needed to feel that people love him and care for me. What the old man need? He need care and love from everyone else. Okay, she asked him, Mother Teresa asked the old man, "Would you light the lamp every evening?" Yeah, she asked. Okay, so if the sister came to see you, alright, so the thought brought a bright smile on his wrinkled face. Okay, when the Mother Teresa asked, "You should on the lamp every evening," okay, then the old man agreed that the thought brought a bright smile on his wrinkled face. Of course, the old man said. Okay, he said happily. He was so happy that the Mother Teresa, what she told. Okay, from that day onwards, the sisters started visiting him every evening. Okay, the old man was agreed what the Mother Teresa said, and from that day onwards, the Mother Teresa, she visited always every evening. Okay, time passed, and one day, so in this way the time passed, and one day what happened? The old man sent a message for Mother. Okay, the old man sent a letter to the Mother Teresa. Okay, the message was, "Tell my friend that the light she lit and my life continues to shine still." Okay, so what the old man wrote, what the old man gave to the message to the Mother Teresa, "Tell my friend that the light she lit in my life continue to shine still." Okay, the old man don't know that Mother Teresa was working for him. Okay, she thought another person gave a company to him. Okay, love and care, but who did this? The Mother Teresa. Okay, so everyone needs care on this earth, and making others happy is the best feeling in the world. So we should always help people and we should love one another. Okay, thank you.